So in continuation to our previous video, now I will discuss few more plugins with you, such as social sharing and the under construction plugin. So these plugins will add the more functionality to your website. So let us start how to work with these plugins. As we all know, social media is emerging as new tool of marketing, and it is expected that your content should be shared on social media to the maximum level. For this purpose, we have to provide an option to the readers to share the content immediately on various social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other platforms, like this one. If you want to add these buttons, then install and activate the plugin Social Snap Lite. Now to use it, go to Social Snap Lite settings. Here on the left side, you can see the settings, and on the right hand side, you will see the live preview that will help you to take an appropriate decision. We will work on social share settings. First, manage network. Here is the list of default and popular social media icons. These will be visible in your website. If you want to add more icons, use this Add Network option, and out of the available options, again use this plus sign to add them. You can also remove by clicking the cross sign. This is how it will look like. By using these settings, you may change the position left or right, change the button shape of icons, increase or decrease the button size. This is important where you want to show the icon. I selected only post. Then we have the button spacing, total count and share count. Once you will make all these settings, click Save Changes. Let us see it in our website now. Open any post of your website. Yes, it is there. Let us see, are they working? First is the Twitter. Yes, I can share it on Twitter. Yes, it is working. Any other icon? Yes, it is working. You can also enable inline buttons. Your icons will be shown in horizontal view. You may change the settings according to your preference and save changes. Let us see it. Yes, it is there. I will suggest you to use either sidebar or inline icons. Use of both will clutter your website. You may also enable the online media. With this, user can share it on Pinterest as well. How to use Under Construction Website plugin? You must have noticed that everything goes live during the process of website development. The half-cooked website is visible to your audience, and it may give very bad impression to them because things are not finalized yet. Now what I want? I want that during the development process, my website should not be visible to the visitor, and it should show the message under construction or any other customized message till the website development process is complete. For this purpose, install the plugin Under Construction. Now to create a beautiful under construction page, go to the plugin settings from the installed plugins. Enable under construction mode and select the design and save the changes. Now open your website in incognito window. Yes, it is working. Now you can finish your work calmly. Once the work of website is completed, then go back to the under construction plugin settings and off the under construction mode and save the changes. Let us check it. Yes, we are back. Now the important point, if you are logged in to the WordPress, you will be able to view your website live even if under construction mode is activated, but others will not be able to see it. So you need not to worry. So this was the basic introduction to the plugins. Now I hope that you can find the relevant plugins for your website, and you can also install it and you can use it. Now I will advise you to please search for more plugins and try to experiment on those plugins so that your website will be the professional one.